So a lawyer can help you try to gain your gun rights back. The process for doing that depends on why you lost your rights in the first place. So if you were convicted of certain felony crimes in Minnesota, we call them crimes of violence, that may have lost you your firearm rights for life. But we can help you try to get the rights restored. It's a process where we file a petition with the court. We try to show the judge that you've changed your life around, that there's no reason to be concerned about you having firearms any longer, and we try to get the judge to grant our request to give you your gun rights back. In some other cases, the process is different. Let's say you were convicted of a misdemeanor domestic violence crime, which are very, very common in Minnesota. That triggers a lifetime ban under federal law. It's very difficult to restore rights there, but there are things we can do to try to get you gun rights back, even in those cases. We might go back and try to reopen the original criminal case. We might try to withdraw your guilty plea or reverse the conviction. So there's ways we can try to accomplish that, but it is a lot more difficult if you're convicted of those misdemeanor domestic violence crimes. There's so many ways that people lose gun rights in Minnesota and nationally, and many different ways that we can try to help get gun rights back. So I would just encourage you to give us a call, and we'll talk about your specific situation and see if we can help.